What if I told you there's a website where you can get paid for doing simple online tasks like clicking websites, signing up for free accounts, watching videos, following social media pages, and even testing small online actions? No degree, no experience, no special skills, just your phone or laptop. Now, before you think this sounds too good to be true, this is exactly how platforms like SproutGigs work. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about SproutGigs, how it works, what kind of tasks you do, how much you can realistically earn, and most importantly, whether it's actually worth your time in 2026. I'll also show you strategies to earn more instead of wasting time on low-paying tasks. So yeah, let's get into it. So what exactly is SproutGigs? SproutGigs is a micro-task freelancing platform. That means instead of long projects or full jobs, you complete small online tasks that businesses and website owners need help with. It used to be known as Pickle Workers, so if you ever heard that name before, it's the same platform rebranded. The concept is very simple. Businesses need small actions done online. They post those tasks on SproutGigs, you complete them, and you get paid per task. Think of it like a digital gig marketplace for tiny jobs. The idea here is volume. Each task may pay small amounts, but they are quick and repeatable. Now, this is basically how SproutGigs work. You basically go to the site SproutGigs, you sign up by creating a free account, no upfront payments needed. You browse the gigs, you'll see thousands of tasks listed in categories like social media tasks, app testing, website visits, surveys, data entry, sign up tasks. You basically choose the task you want. Each task shows instructions, required actions, payment amount, and then proof needed. You complete the task by following instructions exactly, and then you usually screenshot your username, link confirmation, or code. This is basically how you submit or prove. And once you actually approved, the money goes into your account balance. It sounds simple, and it is, but there are a few strategies that separate beginners from people who actually earn consistently, and we'll get into that soon. Now, this is where SproutGigs become interesting. Let's break down the main categories. The first one is social media tasks. This is very common. You might follow Instagram accounts, like YouTube videos, subscribe to channels, join Facebook groups. These tasks usually pay small amounts, but they are very fast. And then the second is website visits or SEO tasks. You'll be asked to visit the website, stay for a certain time, click specific pages. Businesses use this to improve engagement signals. And then the third is app downloads. You install applications and sometimes you create accounts, reach a level, or test features. These usually pay higher than simple clicks. And then the fourth is basically the sign up offers. You register on websites, sometimes free, sometimes trial based. These can pay more, but you must read instructions carefully. And then the fifth are content tasks. This includes writing short reviews, commenting on blogs, small text submissions, AI related micro jobs. These are higher skill but also higher reward. Now, how much money can you even make? Let's be very real here. SproutGigs is not a get rich quick platform, but it can be done as a side income, a beginner starting point, or extra daily cash. Earnings depend on task selection, speed, consistency, availability of offers. Some users report a few dollars per day casually, more if they work consistently. The key point is this: you're trading time for small payment. So the goal is not just doing tasks, it's doing the right task efficiently. Now, the big mistake most beginners make. A whole lot of beginners fail on SproutGigs for one major reason. They take every low-paying task they see. They spend 20 minutes for 5 cents, 30 minutes for a repetitive task, hours without strategy. That's not smart. Instead, you should focus on higher paying tasks, avoid overly time-consuming offers, prioritize quick completion tasks, build speed and accuracy. Think of it like this: time is your real currency, and here's where you actually improve your results. The first thing you need to do is to focus on high ratio tasks. Look for tasks where payout is decent, completion time is short. Even small differences matter here on SproutGigs. And then you also need to work in batches. Instead of random tasks, do 10 social media tasks at once, then switch to app tasks, and then surveys. This improves efficiency. And then the third strategy is by you using fast niches. Some of the fastest tasks are follows, clicks, short signups. This helps you build momentum quickly. And then the fourth strategy is by you tracking your time. If a task takes too long for too little money, basically skip it. And then the fifth strategy is by staying consistent. This is actually the biggest factor. People who check the platform daily usually earn more than people who randomly log in once a week. And now let's move to one of the most important parts in this video, which is about withdrawals and payments. SproutGigs supports multiple payout options depending on your region. Typically, users can withdraw via crypto options, digital wallets, or payment processors. The key point here is you don't earn money until tasks are approved, so quality matters. If you rush and fail tasks, you lose time. Accuracy is equals income in this website. Now let's look at the pros and cons of this website. Some of the pros include beginner friendly, no experience needed, flexible schedule, free to join, tons of tasks on the platform. Now the other side, we have low individual payout, repetitive work, not stable full-time income, and requires a whole lot of patience. So the honest takeaway is this is great for beginners, not a replacement of a full-time job. Now let's look at who exactly should use SproutGigs. The platform is best for students wanting extra cash, beginners learning online earning, people testing freelancing, and anyone with free time on their phone or laptop. It's not ideal for people expecting full-time income quickly, people who dislike repetitive tasks, and those wanting high-paying skilled work immediately. Here's the honest truth about SproutGigs. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can teach you how online work platforms function, give you your first online earnings, and help you build consistency in freelancing. And sometimes that first dollar online is actually the hardest one to earn. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members out there. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.